Affiliate marketing business for beginners coming right up. If you're new to my YouTube channel, my name is Darius McKinney, and in this video, we're going to talk about how to start affiliate marketing business for beginners. And if you stick to the end of the video, I'm going to give you a free gift, so you don't want to miss that. And the benefits of watching this video to the end is you'll learn how to do this step by step and the process you need to start. So let's get into it. So there's 6 steps to this affiliate marketing business thing. So I'm gonna give you all the 6 steps and break it down step by step. So basically, the first step is basically picking this. So basically, if you pick a broad niche like make money online or fitness and just try to go with producing content within that, you're not gonna have a good successful rate with it because you're going too broad and you need to niche down. So what I mean by niche down is something like this. So basically, you can pick like fitness niche, and then you can break that down to weight loss, and then weight loss for women. So the more specific you are, the more successful you're gonna be because you can target down your audience, and then you can start breaking down and retargeting like ads or anything like that to those specific people. So like even this, you can still use the same thing like fitness to weight loss and then weight loss for men. So, and then you can break that down even more to like weight loss for men between the ages of 60 to 65 years old. So that's basically what you can do. So basically, I advise you picking, and also I advise you picking this that's you can do like evergreen. So I advise you pick an evergreen niche. So for example, what I mean is like you can pick a niche like um, dating, relationship, fitness. Like I just gave you an example. Um, you can go make money online and break that down to Bitcoin. So as you can see, evergreen topics are always people having problems in. So those are like evergreen. So basically, the top three: health, wealth, and romantic. So that's basically the evergreen topics you can choose from. So and also, do not pick a niche that you're not very passionate about because in the long term, you're not going to make money doing that. So basically, you need to start pumping out content that around the topics you're passionate about, and you can go deep down into. So do not just go in for just for the money, but think of this as a long term thing. So basically, step two is pick a product in a affiliate program or affiliate network. So basically, what that is, so basically what that is affiliate marketing marketplace where you pick products to promote as an affiliate. So if you want more info for that, check the link above this video. It'll be a link there to see check out how to um choose the right affiliate program for you. So basically affiliate programs is like ClickBank, JVZoo, and Amazon Associates. So basically those are great for beginners. So basically you have products that are proven to sell. You don't have to buy the product or anything like that. So all you gotta do is just get your link and start promoting it. And so that leads me to my third step. So before we get to the third step, there's things you need to know before you start joining these affiliate programs. So basically, these programs are for free and it costs no money to join or anything like that. So basically, you can just promote strictly just promote it with no cost. And basically, with ClickBank, you could just now if you want to know how to find affiliate products to promote and which ones to promote that has the highest converting and then make the most sales. Also, you can check the link above this video. I've done a video for that, how to pick a affiliate product for like ClickBank, JVZoo, and Amazon Associates. So check the link above. So that leads me to my third step. So once you pick your niche and your product, you want to start to set up your business. So this is basically the back end of the business that nobody really sees. So basically, everybody just sees your niche and your product, but they never see are you setting up your back end of your business. So basically you need softwares and pages. So what I basically mean is like you need landing pages, email lists. You need a domain name for your website or your sales funnel, and then you need software to run your whole business. So basically, there's several different companies out there you can choose from, but these are my recommended platforms you can start using for your sales funnel and your software for your business. So basically, so for sales funnel, you can go to ClickBank. So I mean not ClickBank. I mean ClickFunnels. So my bad. So ClickFunnels. Then for email marketing, you got GetResponse or Aweber, and then all-in-one marketing platform for Builderall and Kartra. So basically, for a beginner, I recommend you check out Builderall and Kartra because it's an all-in-one platform. You don't have to have one platform for a landing page, and then one platform for a website, and then one platform for a sales funnel. So everything is all in one place for a good price. So basically, I recommend you check out Builderall and Kartra. So the reason why I say that is because personally for myself, I use Bitterall, so I found it's very useful and easy to use as a beginner. So mostly everything is like drag and drop, and everything is right there for you. And give you they have great support team for you to to chat with them if you have any problems. So that's why I recommend Bitterall. So if you want to check out Kartra, you can check out Kartra. But my personal favorite for you to start out with is Bitterall. So basically, you can start from $30 or $70 based on what you need for your business. So if you're trying to go all in on Bitterall, I recommend you check out the $70 per month business module they have. So that's basically I recommend. So basically, all these platforms are very useful, but for beginners, I recommend you go with either all-in-one marketing platform, so like Builderall or Kartra. Okay, so now that you set up mostly everything for your business, so if you're not getting traffic to your business, then you're not gonna make sales, right? So you need to start getting traffic. So there's basically two forms of traffic you can start using. So basically, my beginner way of for you to start getting traffic is free traffic, which costs no cost to you. But if you want to start getting traffic more quickly, you can do the pay route. But for a beginner, I advise you to go with the free traffic because you can start learning the customer needs and their desires and what content they want to start, what content they want to see more than others. So I advise you to go with free traffic. But my recommended free traffic you start out with YouTube. So if you want to learn how to get free traffic with YouTube, I'm gonna put another link above this video where you can check out how to do affiliate marketing on YouTube. But in the meanwhile, in this video, we're gonna talk about how to get free traffic and paid traffic. So basically, you got free traffic like social media, like Instagram, YouTube, Facebook groups, Quora, and stuff like that. So paid traffic includes Instagram ads, YouTube ads, Facebook ads, Google ads, and solo ads. So basically, my number one recommend paid traffic route would be Facebook because Facebook, Facebook owns Instagram and Facebook owns itself. So basically, that's two platforms combined together. So and then you can start retargeting ads, and basically it's easier to track what your customers like and what they don't like and all the what stuff they want to buy and stuff like that. So basically, it's easier to track with Facebook than any other platform out there. So I advise you go with Facebook ads if you're doing the paid traffic route. Now, but if we're free traffic route, I advise you to go with YouTube because it's search engine optimization, which is the longest process to start getting traffic and start rank for. But long term wise, it's passive traffic because people are always consistently looking those questions and problems they're having with within the industry you're trying to go with. So that's why I recommend YouTube for free traffic, and for paid traffic, I recommend you go with Facebook ads. So step five is basically build your email marketing list and start testing everything in your business. So basically, what I mean testing everything in your business is basically start split testing your emails, your landing pages, and your buttons, and the style of the buttons, and everything in between of those stuff. So basically, once you start getting traffic, you can start you're going to need to convert that traffic into start getting sales. So basically, how you going to convert that traffic is basically split A/B split testing email copy headlines or the body paragraph of the body the body of the emails and the landing pages. So basically, on the landing page, you're gonna be split testing headlines, the button, and then like your style of your copy of the landing page. So basically, that's what you will be split testing between the emails and the landing page. And then once you start getting traffic, you're gonna start wanting to build a buyer list. Basically, a buyer list is basically where you start promoting you start promoting offers to people that you know that's gonna buy. So you have to second guess like, okay, are they gonna buy this or are they gonna buy this offer? So basically, that's what you're gonna start doing. So you need to start developing a buyer list. So the last step is basically making sales and repeat and invest in your more in your business. So basically, what I mean is repeat and invest more into your business. So basically, once you start making sales, you're gonna want to reinvest that into like paid ads, more paid ads, so you can scale and get more traffic faster, and then more tools. So like basically like more email, basically more funnels in your business, so you can start building passive income, and then start investing more tools to help grow your business. So basically, like if you're using YouTube, you can use a tool called YouTube Buddy and start upgrading that tool to get more traffic and optimize your YouTube channel and stuff like that. So basically, you want to start using more tools and get more ads and basically scale up your business and grow your business. So basically, that's what you need to start doing. So those are all the six steps you need to start doing for your affiliate marketing business. So the free gift I want to give you is basically a free affiliate marketing ebook. It will teach you how to get started from A to Z and all the ins and outs you need to know for a beginner and what mistakes you need to avoid. So basically, if you want access to it, make sure you click the first link in my description it'll be the first link there. If you found this YouTube video very helpful, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on post notification. Also, if you like this YouTube video, make sure you like and comment this video because it gives me more feedback if I should post more content around this topic. So make sure you go do that, and I will see you next time when I post YouTube videos on this channel.